Hello everybody, welcome to my another viral video. Today I'm going to show you how can you fix your video scribe which will show what we can fix our this wide screen animation problem. So I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and comment, share and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and colleagues. So thank you for watching this video.